This is our street, it's where we live. We love to play together.
Topsy!
Just like you, you're just like us,
Hey,
and
Tim.
we'll be friends forever. We can be anything if we close our eyes and dream. We can play day after day, and the fun will never end. This is our street, it's where we live, so let's all play together. Be best friends forever.
It's us, Topsy and Tim. We're making a marble run. Come on. Marble run. Where's the last piece? Got it. Tony Welch and Vinda are coming to play, so we've got our marble run out. Here, quick, let's try it. But it isn't Tony and Vinda. It's Grandma and Mossy the dog. Hi, everyone. I've let myself in. No! Oh, Mossy! Oh.
Hello, where's my hello, Grandma Huggle, Topsy and Tim? Come on.
Squeeze!
Mwah, mwah.
Hello, Jean.
Oh, hi, Joy. I brought these over for the twins.
Oh,
These are the marbles your dad played with when he was young. I thought you could use them for your marble thingy.
Thank you, Grandma. There's loads.
Good.
There's a lot of marbles in there, but this is called a marble run, Grandma.
Oh, yes.
The marble goes in here
Yes.
and all there,
Right.
around there,
Yes.
and comes out of there, 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 and there.
Oh, I
There's
see.
too many to count.
Oh, I'm sorry. Did Mossy break it?
Yes.
Oh, you scamp.
She did, but it's okay, Mossy. We can rebuild it.
Good. Right, come on, Mossy. You marble run masher. Let's finish our walkies. Come on, girl.
Bye-bye.
Bye, everyone.
Bye, Grandma. Thank you for the marbles.
bye, Jean.
Bye, Grandma.
Hello, Elaine. Hi, Tony Welch. Come in.
Hi, Mrs. O'Dell. How are you?
Fine.
Tony's got a play date with Tim.
Oh, they got the marble run out.
Great. Oh, hi, Tony. Can you help me?
I'll drop to take Tony off later, okay?
Thanks, Joy. Have fun, Tony.
Bye. Oh, Topsy, Vinda will be here in a minute.
Okay. Hurry up, Vinda. This bit goes here. Yes. Can I put a piece on, please? Please, can I put a bit on? This bit goes here. And this bit goes here. Oh, yeah. And these are Dad's old marbles. He played with them as a kid. Let's see.
Oh, Topsy, Vinda's here.
Yay!
Hi, Jazz. Hi, Vinda. I'll bring Vinda back about 5. Is that okay? Come on, Vinda.
Hi, Vinda. Hi. A marble run. Can I play? Please. Let's make a marble run of our own. Shall we, Vinda? Yes, but how? Using all of this. We can make a marble run that's better than the boys. Okay. Mummy! Please come use the cardboard recycling.
Yes, just don't make a mess, you two.
We're going upstairs, Tim. Come on. Tony is really good with the tricky bits of the marble run. I'll do this bit. Vinda and I are using all of the old cardboard to make a long marble run of our own. Our marble run is going to be the best ever. Yes. I'll tape it. Okay. There we are, all taped. Where's the top bit? There should be another one of these. I know. Topsy, I got an idea. Let's make our marble run go down the stairs. Where is the last piece? There's always one bit that has to go missing. Oh, I remember. I put it here so I wouldn't lose it. Oh, Tony. Now we can put it on to make a completed marble run. Yes! Okay, Topsy, now try running a marble down. Come on. Is it coming? Yes, it is. I can hear it. Yay! We did it! We got the best marble run. Wow, did you make that marble run? Yes. It's brilliant. But I can make it even better. How? I'll show you, Topsy. Okay, but don't break our marble run. I don't even need to touch it. Mummy, can you help me?
What do you need?
I just need to pick this up and connect it to Topsy's marble run.
Brilliant idea. Here we go then.
Oh, I see. We attach our marble run to their marble run.
Okay, let's pop
This is going to be the best marble run ever.
it. Topsy, there we go.
I'll put the first marble in. Can I use Dad's old marbles, please, Tim? Oh, yes. Here you go, Topsy. Thank you.
Really good teamwork, everyone. That's great.
Ready? Yes. Now, Topsy. 3, 2, 1. Go, marble! Go, marble! Of the marbles are under the sofa, Tony. We've got lots more. Got it. And I found this. Is this a picture of your new house? No, because I don't want to move to a new house.
Oh, well done, Tony. I've been looking for that all morning.
Is it our new house?
It might be. Who wants to see it?
Me. And that's when Vinda said, "It looks lovely. I'd love to live in a house like that." It looks lovely. I'd love to live in a house like that, Topsy and Tim. Wow, that's a big house. Yes, we can make a bigger marble run.
Oh, good thinking, Tim. I can't wait.
Move to a big house like that, and it's even got a red front door, see?
That's right, it does.
But now, I want to go on the marble run.
And then it's my turn next.
And that, said Mummy, was that. Hello. Are you good at remembering? Can you remember what happened to us today? This is our Topsy and Tim memory game. Let's play. Can you remember what Grandma brought round for us today? Was it a bag of sweets? Or was it a bag of marbles? The answer is behind the cloud. Look, the answer is a bag of marbles. Watch this.
Oh, hi, Joy. I brought these over for the twins.
Oh,
These are the marbles your dad played with when he was young. I thought you could use them for your marble thingy.
Thank you, Grandma. That's loads.
Good.
Great game. That was good fun. See you soon. We can play